Well, after a 4-year wait to get to Thailand, somewhere between the time we took off from home and got here, I ended up getting COVID. So my travels around are going to be a little bit difficult for the next 7 to 10 days. If you like our content, please reach down the bottom there and mash that like and subscribe. It helps our channel a lot. We appreciate it. I'm at least getting out in the sun. This is the house here that we started working on. You can see how much we raised the walls and put the new roof on it. And the interior of it, I'm going to completely redesign. It's more of a Thai style inside right now, and I'll convert it. But anyhow, this is in the compound with Jai's sister and brother's home, and that is theirs. The brother lives on the lower floor and the sister lives on the upper. So they're Thai traditional. They want to keep their families together. So I'm tossed right now, uncertain if I'm going to continue with this, and I kind of think I am. Now, after getting here, I don't want to build on the land. I can see already that's going to be too much for what I'm willing to do right now. Hopefully everything is coming out good. I know my voice doesn't sound great. I'm still ill, obviously. I've got the new version of COVID. It's really like a severe cold. And I've got body aches that I've never had before. I've never had any issues with my hips, and my hips hurt really bad right now. This area right here is part of it. The part that's blocked is the outdoor kitchen, and the other part is just an outdoor area. I want to say this is inside 8 Rai, the property here. So I'm going to give a little walk around it. The original roof, you can see where the original roof came down right here. And we extended it up quite a bit farther. And in the back, we haven't gotten to that point. We started this 4 years ago before COVID hit, and we haven't been able to get back here to do anything more. But in this area right here, we're going to open it up and have a sliding glass door. That's the master bedroom that'll come outside. Got Killer Dog out here to help me. It's got a nice pig pen area here. We got chickens in here. They have pigs. I just don't. Oh, I see over there. I haven't really got around to do much. I've been sick since I got here. Pretty nice setup though. Everything's well set up. They got cows. They're over on the property that's next door to where we're at right now. We've got some cows over there. Yeah, it needs a TLC. My sister-in-law is never here either. Jai being out. No. She said, don't video me. They've planted trees all over out here. It's got mangoes and, oh hell, I can't even think of what all is here. right, Jaila's just yelling at me to take my mask off and let the sun get in and help cure me. Look how nice. It's got tilapia in this pond. And there's catfish in this pond here. It's kind of taken over with all the weed. A little helper walking around with me, helping me. She doesn't understand anything I'm saying. She speaks Thai. Now you can tell that's a mango tree there, little baby. And my hips are really bothering me walking right now, but they told me to get out in the sun. Let the sun help me. I can see there's going to be plenty for me to do when I get here. Got bananas. When we come to stay, the choice right now is between this house I just showed you, which I think is pretty awesome because it's out here in the country. And it's a big parcel. And the other option is our house that's in town. It's a 3-story house, but it's in town. So while I'm here, I'll get a video of that also. Yeah, I don't know how I could have possibly caught COVID. I was very cautious with wearing a mask. I wash my hands often. But when you're cramped into an airplane, and then we rode the Kansai Air bus from Bangkok to Surin, and we used a couple of taxis while we were in Bangkok. It's a quite large piece of ground. But I don't want tons of stuff to do. I want to travel. My plans are to travel. But I guess I can still do that and just tinker around here when I'm back. I can do things quicker here than they can if we get a little tractor, or even if we rent a tractor. I would think best if we just buy our own tractor, and I could get things done here real quickly. You see the back end of the in-laws, sister-in-laws, the upper floor there. It's where we're staying right now. There's a nice big bedroom in that, and I'm quarantined to a bedroom in that house. Apparently that's their garden. I don't know what they have growing here, but it'd be a good spot. Oh, it's all muddy. I was gonna walk across there, but I see the water. It's all mud ball. The dogs help out keeping the dogs and the chickens, keeping the, what do you call that snake? Hell, I can't even think right now. Anyhow, it's a nasty snake. The one that stands in the air. I have seen one here in the past, inside the compound here. But we got this tall fence around everything, but it doesn't do much good when they got all the growth, vegetation all grown up around everywhere. So forgive me being ill and not able to think much. I had big plans of traveling, getting around, meeting Dave. We got to love Thailand. I've been in communication with him the last couple of days. I told him I didn't want to come until I felt better or tested and find out for sure if I'm positive or not. So I am positive. 2 different tests tell me so. But what do you think of this place? It's a nice place. Got solar power there for something. I have no idea what. Have to ask my sister-in-law. I think they put a well. Oh, I can see it. They did put a well there. So it has a well that they can keep pumping water into the ponds to keep them full if the rains don't do it. I know on the property next door, it has a new well that's all solar power also. Kind of cool. Dog's gonna go fishing. Get him, get him. Oh, oh. You know, the last time I was here, the pigs were out kind of loose, running around. But it doesn't look like they let them do that anymore. Okay, well, when we are able to travel, you know, the problem with me traveling right now is I didn't rent a car because they talked me into just using my brother-in-law's pickup here. And I don't want to do that with COVID. If I had a rental car, I could go out, do whatever I wanted, and travel around and video stuff, just stay away from people. But plans didn't work for me. Well, everybody, that's all I'm gonna have for you today for this short little walk and talk. I need to get out in the sun, and this is a good way to do it. Okay, we're out. Oh, by the way, if you made it this far and you like our content, please hit the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it.